In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an embossed effect. Hello everybody, hope you're keeping well. Gary Fernan here for PHOTORECEPTORCELL, and in this video I'm going to show you how simple it is to create an embossed effect using Photoshop. Now, as we can see from the screen, what I've done is I've already dragged the PHOTORECEPTORCELL logo onto our background. So the first thing you need to do is make sure that the background is set to white, and then drag the item that you want to create the embossed effect from on top of that layer. So if we make sure that the logo layer, so layer 1, is selected, and then just reduce that fill to 0. With layer 1 still selected, come down to FX and then Bevel and Emboss. Now if I just talk you through the selections here, most of these I'm going to keep the same because I've already done it, tried this before recording this, so some of these are very similar. So your style will be in a bevel, your technique will be smooth, your depth for the logo that I'm using, I'm going to have my depth at 126%, but with some of these options you may want to tinker with them a little bit to suit whatever it is that you're working with. But this is just a guide. It's a good place to start, and then you can tweak them accordingly. So the depth is at 126%. The direction is up. My size is at 10. I'm going to soften that by 12 pixels. My angle is at 45 degrees. You want to make sure that use global light is selected, and my altitude is going to be at 80 degrees. With regards to the gloss contour, I've selected the linear. Highlight mode set to screen, but make sure that this color tab is set to white. Opacity at 100%. The shadow mode at multiply, again make sure that this color is set to black, and the opacity here I've got set to 25%, but you can play with that to suit yourself. Now what you would like to, or what you might like to do as well, is once you're back into your main shot here, just tinker with the opacity of that layer just to see. Now in this particular logo I've got quite some dark edges, so I don't particularly want it at 100%, so I'm going to reduce that to 47%. And there we go folks, that is how to create an embossed effect. Folks, don't forget, if you liked this quick guide, to hit the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, consider doing so. Leave me a comment in the comment section below if there's anything that you would like me to cover in future videos. But until the next time, remember, be creative, be inspired, be you.